Imagine a way of eating that helps you lose weight, feel more energized, and even improves your overall health, all without restricting the types of food you love. This isn't a far-fetched dream. This is the power of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't about you eat, but you eat. It's about cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule, and it's simpler than you might think. Our bodies haven't evolved to handle the near-constant eating patterns that many of us follow today. Grazing throughout the day, even on healthy snacks, keeps our insulin levels elevated. This can lead to weight gain, increased risk of chronic disease, and that dreaded afternoon energy slump. There are many different ways to practice intermittent fasting, making it a very flexible lifestyle choice. Some popular methods include the 16-8 method. Perhaps the most popular method, this involves fasting for 16 hours each day, for example, from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day, leaving an 8-hour window for meals. This method is often chosen by beginners because it is relatively easy to follow and fits well into most people's daily routines. During the fasting period, only non-caloric beverages like water, tea, and coffee are allowed. The 8-hour eating window can be adjusted to fit your schedule, making it a versatile option for many. The 5-2 method. This method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calories to 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. On fasting days, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods to ensure you're getting essential vitamins and minerals. This method can be more challenging for some as it requires significant calorie restriction on fasting days. However, many find it effective for weight loss and metabolic health. Planning your fasting days ahead of time can help you stay on track and make the process smoother. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, this method involves alternating between days of normal eating and days of fasting or very low-calorie intake. On fasting days, calorie intake is typically limited to about 500 calories. This method can be quite rigorous and may not be suitable for everyone, especially those new to fasting. However, it has been shown to have significant benefits for weight loss and improving metabolic health. It's crucial to listen to your body and ensure you're not overexerting yourself. Staying hydrated and choosing nutrient-rich foods on fasting days can help you maintain energy levels and overall well-being. Regardless of the method you choose, it's important to pair intermittent fasting with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen is also recommended, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and finding the method that works best for you may take some experimentation. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable and healthy lifestyle that you can maintain in the long term. The power of fasting, unlocking your body's potential. Fasting is not just a trend. It's a practice that has been around for centuries, embraced by various cultures and religions for its profound benefits. Today, science is catching up, revealing the incredible ways fasting can transform our health and well-being. The benefits of intermittent fasting extend far beyond weight loss. It's a holistic approach to health that can enhance your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you allow it to focus on repair and rejuvenation. When we fast, our bodies go into a metabolic switch, burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This can lead to a more efficient metabolism and improved energy levels. Imagine your body as a hybrid car, seamlessly switching between fuel sources to optimize performance. Weight and belly fat loss are among the most noticeable benefits. As your body taps into fat reserves, you may find it easier to shed those stubborn pounds that have been resistant to other diets and exercise routines. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for shedding those extra pounds, particularly stubborn belly fat, but the benefits don't stop there. Fasting can also help you maintain muscle mass while losing fat, which is crucial for overall health and fitness. Reduced risk of chronic diseases is another significant advantage. By lowering inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, fasting can help protect against conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. Intermittent fasting has been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and some types of cancer. Improved brain health is another remarkable benefit. Fasting can stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth and survival of neurons. Fasting can boost brain function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and even improve mood. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, fasting creates an environment where your brain can thrive, potentially lowering the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Fasting activates cellular repair processes, which may contribute to a longer, healthier lifespan. This process, known as autophagy, helps your body clear out damaged cells and regenerate new ones, promoting longevity and vitality. Embrace the power of fasting and unlock your body's full potential. Getting started with intermittent fasting tips for success. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? It's a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being, but like any new habit, it requires some preparation and understanding to get the most out of it. Here are a few tips to get you started. These tips will help you ease into intermittent fasting and make the transition smoother and more sustainable. First, start gradually. Begin with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. For example, you might start with a 12-hour fasting window and then slowly work your way up to 16 hours or more. This gradual approach helps your body adapt without feeling overwhelmed. Second, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee during your fasting periods to stay hydrated and curb hunger pangs. Hydration is key to maintaining your energy levels and overall well-being. You can also try adding a slice of lemon or a splash of apple cider vinegar to your water for a refreshing twist. Third, break your fast wisely. Choose nutrient-rich whole foods to break your fast and avoid overeating. Opt for balanced meals that include a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This will help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling satisfied for longer. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks as they can lead to energy crashes and cravings. And finally, listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Pay attention to how you feel during your fasting periods and adjust accordingly. If you feel dizzy, lightheaded, or excessively hungry, it might be a sign that you need to shorten your fasting window or adjust your eating habits. Remember, intermittent fasting is a flexible tool, and it's important to find a routine that works best for you. It's okay to adjust your fasting schedule as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and it's important to be flexible with your fasting routine. If you have a social event or a particularly busy day, don't stress about sticking to your fasting window. Simply adjust your schedule and get back on track the next day. The key is consistency over time, not perfection. Planning your meals ahead of time can also be incredibly helpful. By knowing what you'll eat to break your fast, you can avoid the temptation of unhealthy choices and ensure that you're nourishing your body with the right foods. Meal prepping can save you time and make it easier to stick to your fasting routine. Incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation or journaling can also support your intermittent fasting journey. These practices can help you stay focused, reduce stress, and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, intermittent fasting is not just about when you eat, but also about how you approach your overall well-being. Celebrate your progress and be patient with yourself. Intermittent fasting is a journey, and it's important to acknowledge your achievements along the way. Whether it's successfully completing a fasting window or making healthier food choices, every step forward is a victory. Stay committed, stay positive, and enjoy the benefits of intermittent fasting. Listening to your body. Adjusting intermittent fasting for you. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to intermittent fasting. The key is to find a method that fits your lifestyle, preferences, and individual needs. Experiment with different fasting schedules and listen to your body's signals to determine what works best for you. Common mistakes to avoid on your intermittent fasting journey. Here are a few common pitfalls to avoid when embarking on your intermittent fasting journey. First, don't overcompensate during eating windows. The goal is not to make up for lost calories, but to eat mindfully and within a healthy calorie range. Second, don't restrict entire food groups. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, and avoid extreme dietary restrictions. And third, stay consistent. The benefits of intermittent fasting are amplified with consistency. Aim to make it a sustainable part of your lifestyle rather than a quick fix. Beyond the basics, the future of intermittent fasting. As research on intermittent fasting continues to evolve, we are discovering exciting new applications and variations of this ancient practice. From personalized fasting plans based on your unique biology to the development of fasting mimicking diets, the future of intermittent fasting is brimming with possibilities.